In this video, you'll learn how to change the language on your Binance account. By following these steps, you will be able to select your preferred display language for a more comfortable experience on the platform. Begin by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, locate your profile icon, which is situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. If you are accessing Binance through the mobile app, tap the profile icon located in the top left corner instead. After opening the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Click or tap on this option to enter the settings menu. Once you are in the settings section, search for the language option. This is where you can make the necessary changes to the display language of the interface. Next, click or tap on Language. A list of available languages will appear on the screen. You can scroll through this list to find your preferred language. Once you have located the language you wish to use, simply select it. You will notice that Binance will automatically update the interface to reflect your choice without requiring a restart of the app or a refresh of the page. After you have selected your preferred language, take a moment to navigate around the dashboard. This will help you confirm that the language has been updated. If you find that the language does not change immediately, you can refresh the page or close and reopen the app. The new language setting will remain active until you decide to change it again in the future. That wraps up today's guide on changing the language on Binance. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.